Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Q. Back again at y'all another video.
What you're looking at is Santa Clarita, California during the tick fire.
Make sure our audio is recording, man. So, first off, man. First off. Do y'all peep the face, bro? The face is getting clear, man. Yeah, I've been taking care of that. You know what I'm saying? I've been working OT with the face, man. Overtime with the face, man. We 5 subscribers away from 2,000. So, you know what I'm saying? Let's clap it up for that. Cause I got a banger video for that. You know what I'm saying? I worked my ass off for that, man. And you know, we in hunger mode, but humble mode at the same time. If you're new to the kingdom, man, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. If you're new to the fucking kingdom, man, subscribe. Why not subscribe, bro? We're the funniest niggas in Chicago, bro. Funny, you know what I'm saying? Funny, one of the funniest niggas, you know what I'm saying? On the YouTube side, ain't nobody like us. We the best. Fuck is you talking about, nigga? Now, anyway. Today we got 5 Skyrios captured on camera reaction, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if this is supposed to be scary or not, or just tragic, but shit, we finna react to it, bro. So, shit, let's get into it.
Year of 2019. The homeowner writes, the fire had just started and within minutes it surrounded our home.
Get your dog!
Now, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, like, I'm trying to peep what's going on first, like, before I say something. Hold on.
People were evacuated only minutes before the fire approached.
It's okay.
Los Angeles Magazine reports that the tick fire burnt through several thousand acres and forced mass evacuation of some 40,000 people. Luckily, no one was hurt in this video, and this family's home was miraculously saved.
What the fuck? What's scary about that? I'm gonna keep it, bro. I'm like, bro, I'm gonna keep it G, bro. Like, I'm not even trying to, like, say some bullshit, but I'm black, bro. I've been in this situation before. Like, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of y'all don't know my story or, like, man, my family story, bro, but I've been through this situation. Like, this fire shit, been there before. Obviously, they was untouched. House, nothing happened. But in any situation where your house is on fire, bro, drop everything and get the fuck out. You ain't got time to save nothing, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Man, my folks was in that shit already. You know what I'm saying? And you don't got time to save nothing. Ain't no grabbing suitcases. You see how they grabbing suitcases and shit? Ain't no grabbing suitcases. But obviously, they house not on fire. But we've been in that situation, bro. And we didn't have time to grab shit. The only thing we had time to grab was ourselves, each other, and our dogs. That's it. Everything else was over with. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't see nothing scary about this shit, though. Because at that point, I ain't even gonna cap. Once you get in a house fire, that shit hit different. It hit different when you're in a house fire. Now, the surrounding being on fire, I'm not finna. One thing y'all must remember in times is do not panic. Shit ain't go really crazy when you panic.
It's everyone's worst nightmare, a home intruder breaking in the middle of the night.
Dude, his dumb ass know he getting caught. Stupid ass. This nigga ain't got no fucking mask on. I ain't even gonna lie, like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, bro. Y'all see this man face, G. Catch this man, bro. He deserved to get caught. Where the fuck is your mask at? Like, bro, and you ain't got no gloves on? You stupid bitch. He ain't even got no gloves on.
Hey, what do you need?
That's the homeowner's voice. This homeowner said he thought one of his son's friends was trying to get into the garage.
What do you need?
But then the man came into the house.
Hey, what do you need, dude?
Oh, I didn't mean to run into your house.
Who the f*** are you?
Bro. First off, how the fuck was the door unlocked or some shit? Cause how the fuck dude just get in there? We ain't see that had no tool or shit. Like, what the fuck? Then he cut on camera. Then that nigga talking about, sorry, didn't mean to run in your house. So you dumb as hell, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, bro. Shit, I'm from the hood. And I ain't gonna lie, you running my shit. If your ass end up dead, that's self-defense. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Like, you running my, and I ain't even gonna lie, man, I don't even like speaking on shit like that, bro. But if you ain't gonna lie, bro, if you live in any fucking hood, Chicago, wherever, you at least gonna get robbed. You know what I'm saying? Everybody get robbed. You know what I'm saying? Everybody. Motherfuckers get robbed. You at least gonna get robbed like once or twice. You know what I'm saying? Everybody been through it. But bro, you running my shit and your ass end up dead. That's your fault. Cause motherfuckers don't play like that. Oh, bro.
The man entered into his house.
Somebody's got the back door, dude.
Yo!
For real.
He ran out the front door to try and cut the man off, but he was gone.
I am not joking, dude.
I know, I see the light.
See, they got cameras. They supposed to start letting off shots. You know what I'm saying? They supposed to start letting off shots. And where I'm from, like, dude ain't even had nothing either. So they honestly, and it sounded like it was 2-3 of them. They supposed to caught his ass, even if he ran. I ain't even gonna lie to you, bro. If a nigga ran in your house with, I don't know what, like where I'm from, niggas ain't running in your shit with nothing. You know what I'm saying? Like, that'd be dumb as shit. If you, in the hood, if you run in somebody's house without nothing, if your ass end up dead, that's on you. You know what I'm saying? Either way, if you end up dead, that's on you. But, like, dude, in this case, bro, dude ran in that shit with nothing. They supposed to caught his ass, even if he ran. They could have caught his ass and whooped the fuck out that nigga, like, because he should have got his ass beat. Like, it's 2-3 of y'all. Dude's supposed to got his ass beat. Something, like, y'all left that nigga, like, y'all let him go.
Number 3. You can probably guess that this guy's not a construction worker. He peers inside to see if anyone's home. Then he knocks again. He's looking a bit anxious. He tries to force the door. Notice he does so with a glove, no prints.
Okay, he a little smart. He a little smart. He's smarter than the other criminal we just had. This nigga ran print face, but he still got his damn face. He's still a little stupid, but
Finally satisfied that the home is empty, he waves over his partner in crime. Then he calls someone on the radio.
Okay, he got a little common sense, bro. He got a little common sense, you know what I'm saying? Walkie-talkie, okay. He a little smart. He's portraying to be a whatever the fuck, y'all know what I'm talking about, bro. He pretending to be a construction worker. You know what I'm saying, with the little vest. That's a little smart.
His partner arrives. Armed with the tools to break in. In short order, they try and force the door.
Bro, both of these niggas got caught. Full camera see both of y'all face. Definitely this motherfucker right here.
But their plan is soon thwarted.
Get away from the door.
The homeowner was alerted on their phone and confronted the men through their doorbell camera, chasing them away. And triggering an alarm. Number 2. Would you open the door if the police came dressed like this? These two suspicious men are trying to pull one over on this homeowner.
He got a gun. I hope he got gloves on.
They're knocking at 3 in the morning. When they finally speak, they claim to be from CPD or Columbus Police Department.
CPD, Columbus Police Department. Oh, I was gonna say Chicago Police Department. What's no, but they dumb as hell though. Like, do y'all not see that y'all gotta remember, bro? When like 90% of the world got cameras, you ain't doing shit. There's cameras every fucking way, even when you think it's not.
CPD or Columbus Police Department.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
CPD, open up. No. Why didn't y'all just come dressed like real? Like, y'all act like y'all can't. Like, damn, you gonna do it. Do it smart, bro. Like.
I don't think he's wearing that mask because he's sick.
No shit, Sherlock. And this shit is not scary.
He tries again. At last, he gets an answer.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
Obviously, the homeowner knows what's going on, but these guys are oblivious. They get into position.
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Dumb. This shit is dumb. Like, how did they not see the camera, though? That's what I'm saying. Like, how do y'all not see the camera? All, like, This got to be the most dumbest shit. This should say 5 scary videos. This is 5 dumbest videos filmed ever. Like, the fuck? Now, if dude would have came out and started shooting, that would have been hella justified. Bro, look, that's assault with a deadly weapon, folks.
Meanwhile, the homeowner has called the cops.
Can I see a badge?
Not this nigga talking about can I see a badge, folks. Just, he could have came out there and did his thing with they
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay.
According to city data, Columbus, Ohio has a crime rate 1.3 times higher than the U.S. average. There were 641 burglaries per 100,000 residents in 2019.
They finna hit a stain straight to the cell.
They try knocking again.
CPD, open the door.
Little do they know, the real CPD is on the way.
They still right there, y'all serious? This is the most dumbest shit I ever seen. These niggas still right there though. Like, if a motherfucker take that long to open the door, they obviously know what's up. Like, this video needs to be.
Finally, they give up and they walk away empty-handed.
Both of they dumbass got caught.
Number 1, a tornado tore through Kentucky, and this doorbell camera bore witness. If you don't think what you're seeing deserves the number 1 spot, then listen to this.
Imagine how strong that wind gotta be if that shit moving a car. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, that shit was not scary. That shit was the dumbest shit I ever reacted to. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, like. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'll see y'all on the next video. We gone.